So guys, nakatawid na tayo sa pangatlong bridge ha. Yung bridge is pataas, ng pataas, yung ganun. So, ito yung pangatlong bridge. Yan. Ito na yung pang-apat na bridge. So, tumatawid na sila. Kikita mo, ayan. Ito na yung pang-apat na bridge. Later last, the distance ma. Big. You see? Ayan o, guys. Napakalalim yan. Nakakatakot, no? Maybe, they must tight this one for long. Must retight. Maybe.
No, it's very tight now.
Huh? Maybe, this
Cannot be loosened now.
rusak ma. Ha?
They know the lifetime now. Lifelong they know. Then they change now.
So there's the fourth bridge, okay? You see, it's shaking, you know. And this the fourth bridge. It's shaking, guys. Very shaking. Very shaking, guys. Upo muna tayo, guys. Ayan o, so boss. This is the fourth bridge already. So, medyo malalim. Pag tumingin ka sa, sa ilalim, nakakalula. Ayan, say guys. Malulula ka. So, nakakatakot. Oh, yan. So, one by one lang talaga yung makakaano dito. So, this is the fourth bridge. This is the fourth bridge now. Yan yung fourth bridge. So, ako na naman ngayon, guys. Torno ko na naman. Bye. I-off ko na naman kong camera. Bye-bye.